Welcome to Food Dialogues, dialogues with food and about food. Today we are going to see a very interesting vegetable recipe, stuffed onions. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to stuff onions, and onions is going to be the star ingredient of the day. We generally use onions along with other vegetables. We use it as a base for gravy. But today, the main ingredient for our recipe are onions. Let's now take a look at the ingredients. The ingredients for the stuffed onions are the onions. I have slit it into 8 portions. Be careful to see that you don't cut the onions completely. The stem has to be intact, and you just slit them into 8 portions, or if the onion is small, you can just slit it into 4. Salt as required, half a cup of compacted coconut, grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of sesame or til, about 10 to 12 red chilies, and less than a marble sized piece of tamarind. So just a hint of tamarind to give the tang to the dish. Now we are going to dry roast all these ingredients, grind them without water, and I'll get back to you. So now I have ground all the ingredients without water, and I'm going to stuff this into the onions. Gently open it up. And try to push in as much of stuffing as possible, because it is this stuffing which is going to make this dish very flavorful. We have added salt to the stuffing, but we will be sprinkling a little bit of salt over the onions during the process of cooking. Between each slit, you can stuff with this mixture. Now I've kept a pan on the stove with about a teaspoon of oil. The oil is hot. Now I'm going to arrange these stuffed onions in the pan for cooking. Cover this pan and leave it on low flame for about 10 minutes without disturbing the stuffed onions. Now 10 minutes is done. The onions have all become soft and the underside is lightly caramelized. So now we can actually remove this off the flame. But I've got some more of the stuffing, which I'm just going to sprinkle on top and give these onions a gentle saute before I remove it off the fire. Over the onions, I'm going to give it a gentle saute before I'm going to remove it off the fire. So stuffed onions, low carbohydrate, high in fiber and antioxidants, low GI food, is now ready to eat. The flavorful stuffed onions are now ready to eat. You can eat it with rice as an accompaniment, mix it along with rice. You can eat it with rotis and also have it as a snack. If you plan to have it as a snack, just sprinkle some grated cheese during the final saute before you remove. The ingredients for this recipe is available in the description box that is being given below. You can even check out on my blog fooddialogues.com for more such interesting recipes.